Welcome to Feed the Fluffs, the silly snack time math game where players solve challenges, collect food tokens, and race to fill their fluff's belly first. Inside the box, you'll find 5 fluff cards, 65 challenge cards, and 50 food tokens with yummy treats and spoiled surprises. Now, let's set up the game. Each player chooses one fluff card. This is your hungry fluff that you'll be feeding during the game. Next, take all the challenge cards, shuffle them together, and place them face down in one deck within reach of all players. Now take the food tokens, place them face down, and shuffle them. These will be drawn during the game, so keep them nearby. The youngest player goes first, and then play continues clockwise. Start your turn by drawing one card from the deck and reading it out loud. If it's an event card, read it out loud and follow the instructions. If it's a math challenge, read it out, solve it, and complete the activity on the card if there is one. Once the challenge is complete, draw one food token from the face-down pile and flip it over. If it's good food, place it on an empty space on your fluff's belly. If it's a spoiled surprise, discard it. Your fluff won't eat it. Each token you place fills your fluff's belly step by step. Once that's done, your turn ends and the next player continues. If the card deck runs out, shuffle the discard pile to create a new deck and continue. Your goal is simple. Be the first player to collect 8 good food tokens and fill your fluff's belly. As soon as you do, you win the game. And that's it. You're all set to start the game. Good luck!